What's up, Peak Timers? This is the Forza Motorsports Premium Hot Wheels 5 cars set. We're going to open it up, unbox it, and take a closer look at them today. And if you guys want to get yourself your own Hot Wheels Forza Motorsports set, as well as a bunch of other amazing cars, make sure you check out Grana Toys. Grana Toys is the one who sent me all these cars, and it's where I get most of my Hot Wheels cars from. So check out granatoys.com as well as their eBay account. I will link them both in the description box below. All right, let's get started with the Morris Mini, car number 1 of 5. Check it out right there. Beautiful artwork on all of these cars. Check that out. You can see it kind of on the little racetrack there. And this one does have these 5 cars, which you see behind there, but I'll show them on the back of this package just for your reference. Let's go ahead and pop this one open, number 1 of 5, the Morris Mini. And these ones are all premium cars, so they're a little bit heavier, as well as they do have the real riders on them. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the Morris Mini. You can check out the wheels on them. Definitely different wheels. We haven't seen these ones before. Actually, all of them have some pretty special wheels. We'll get a closer look at each one of them. So check out the back. GB Great Britain, of course, the number 01 on this one, and check out the Forza Motorsports logo on the top right there. Very nice, very, very detailed compared to the mainline series. Great tampo work on the front of it. It's even got the little popped out engine on the hood right there, so great looking car. All right, we'll go ahead and throw that one down. Let's go ahead to car number 2. Car number 2, the AMC Rebel Machine. Ooh, this thing is very beastly. Got big fat tires in the back. Check it out. That artwork, great looking artwork. Wow, crazy, crazy. Love this one. All right, let's pop it open. And there it is. And you can notice the weight, definitely heavier premium cars, like I said, but check it out. Check out these big fat tires in the back. There are big slicks on there as well. Forza Motorsports, it says on the side. Nice cowl hood induction. Great tampo work on the front of it as well. Check it out from the side. Great looking car. Very, very, very cool. I love the Goodyear stamped tires on there as well. The big ones on the back, small ones in the front. And like I said, these ones do have these different wheels on there, as all of them do. All right, we'll throw that one down. And next up, we've got the, actually, this is car number 4. We'll go at, you know what, let's just stick with it. We'll do it out of order. Why not? Nissan Silvia S15. This is probably one of the more popular ones in this set. Car number 4 of 5. Let's go ahead and pop that open. Actually, here, you can see the artwork on there. Yes, yes, we know the artwork's awesome. Like I said, on all of them. All right, let's go ahead and open this one up. There we go. Oh, this one is so cool. Love the blue with the colored wheels on there. That looks so nice. Check out the Forza logo on the front. Look at the tampo work on the front end as well. So detailed. These are very, very highly detailed. Even on the back, got the exhaust coming out on it as well. The nice colored spoiler on there. It's kind of a matte finish black on the spoiler. And great detail work on the side. You can see the Forza Motorsports logo all kind of mixed right in there, as well as a little Xbox logo down there. This one is very good. Very, very nicely detailed. Okay, we'll put that one down. We'll go to car number 3 now, which is the BMW 2002. Check it out. Great looking. Awesome, awesome. Super stoked for the set. I've been waiting for this set for a while, so I'm so happy to finally have it in hand to show you guys. And there it is. We've got the Goodyear tires on that one as well. Check out all the logos on the side. The Xbox, we got the Forza Motorsports, the nice Forza Motorsports logo on the front right there. And same, very, very detailed all around the car. This is what you get with premium sets. This is what makes these premium sets stand apart from the mainline series. They're just so much more detailed with the tampo work, with the paint, with the wheels that you can see on there. Those are different wheels we haven't seen before. So cool. Very nice. All right, we'll put that one down. And last, but definitely not least, probably one of your guys' favorites. It's definitely my favorite of the set, the Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and pop this one open. And this one we can take a closer look at. And this one's got all sorts of color on it. So it's got the black on there, the green, the white on it. We've got the nice slicked tires on there, the mesh looking wheels, the Forza Motorsports logo nicely mixed into that as well. And on the front, very cool. Oh yes, and even we've got the tampo work on the lights as well. I don't think we have that on the the standard ones. I don't know if they actually put that effort into the tampa work on the standard ones, but this one just looks so good. So good. Wow, look at that from the back as well. The tampa work on the lights, Forza Motorsports. We can even get the detailed engine on there. This is such a great casting. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at all 5 of these cars side by side. And here they are, guys, all 5 cars from the Forza Motorsports Premium Hot Wheels set. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these cars did you like best. If I had to pick one, I think I'm gonna go with either the Silvia or the Lamborghini. They're both so cool, but all of these cars are very premium and very nice. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.